how to add price link extensions to your Google Ads account. So in this video, I will talk about that, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Evgeny Chvanan, I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. I've been running successfully Google Ads for almost 7 years. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and share, because we need to make sure that everyone who has a problem with price link extension will see this video. Let me go to steps how to access this dashboard. Log into your Google Ads account. You'll go see something like this. Then go to campaigns. Pick the campaigns where you want to add price link extension. And then go to ads, extensions, and you are in the page. Since we're a digital marketing agency, we will click plus sign and use price extension. We want to make sure that we are using this particular price extension under the campaign level. As you see, we have a language, we have a brand. Again, since we're a service-based business, we're not selling brand like as e-commerce, or we not installation company. We will use services, price on US dollars. So price qualifier, you provide like prices from or up to or average. We will start from up to or not qualified. Let's do actually not qualified. So the first one is header. As you see over here, the header is in the top. So set up, and setup will be $1,000 per no units. So in our case, no units. And description, Google Ads set up. Oh, we can actually switch. Google Ads description set up. Final URL. Again, we're driving right now all of the traffic to our corporate website, or you can drive to a specific page for Google Ads. So then when they click on this price extensions, they will go over there. Actually, I will use prices like that. Setup Google Ads. Leave mobile final URL, it's automatically populated from the desktop. Then go to another extensions. I recommend to have at least 3 price link extensions. So let's go to the next one. Next one will be management. And it starts per month. So it's like $1,000 per month. Description is Google Ads. Or PPC management, PPC, pay per click. Okay. Final URL we will use again for this particular reason. All of the home pages, you can guys use specific pages. The third package will be full digital marketing, and it starts at $3,500 per month. Description will be my bad. Management full package, digital marketing. Final URL, again we use website, and that's it. Again, if you guys have a lot of offers, a lot of prices, because we too have the same thing like a social media marketing. Actually, let's add it over here. So actually I will switch it really quick. Google Ads set up. Google pay per click. Management full package, digital marketing. Actually, all of the services over here is $5,500. The next one is social. Let's do search engine optimization. It is $1,000 a month. It's not fitted, so we'll use SEO. Management. Final URL, again, as always. Last price link extension will be probably social media marketing. Oops. And it's $1,000 per month. Description is management. Okay, so that's it. Click save, and the price link extension is added to your account. Again, if you missed the previous videos, I showed you how to use site link extension. Click on the video over here, or call out or structure snippet extension. Click on the video out here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial, which will talk about another type of extensions, which is app extension. I will show you how to set this up. See you in the next. Bye.